Yomwe tiere ona ti atatu no ni ya Kenya makiria ma 1,000 na aria mari muhari-ini wa mbere kuruira bururi-ini wa Russia bara-ini yao na bururi wa Ukraine. O ni thutha wao gukungio wara na kurutwo guku bururi-ini makirirwo mawira ma moko to tereba no rugi.
So far, over 1,000 Kenyans have been recruited and departed to fight in the Russia-Ukraine war. The Kenyans leave the country on tourist visas to join the Russian army through Istanbul, Turkey, as well as Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates.
Hari aya makiria ma 1,039 mari thibitari makihonia nguraro, 30 ni macokete guku bururi-ini, 28 matiuikaine kuria mari, 35 ni macenjetio kambi marari cia mbirarũ, 89 matumitwo muhari-ini wa mbere wa bara, umwe ni ikitio ngono gukungi agite muoyo wake. No ona ithabu-ini riri ritiratariria kuria Akenya makiria ma 700 mari.
89 are on the front line, 1 is detained, and 1 has completed.
Ndumiriri ino iria irekereirio ni ruhonge rwa ugaceru NIS ithometwo ni mutongoria wa ringi mbunge-ini ya gibururi akiuga Akenya aya mereirwo mawira ma moko mena mucara wa makiria ma 350 na oho marihi ma njoherera ma makiria ma milioni 1.2 na kumana na thina wa wagi wa wira bururi-ini wa Kenya. Akenya aya makimenya kahua kao ni keruha no thutha mutheri makigarurukwo.
The agencies have been enticing Kenyans, promising them lucrative terms of service such as salaries of about 350,000 shillings per month and hefty bonuses between 900,000 shillings and 1.2 million Kenya shillings, as well as eventually being issued with Russian citizenship.
Imwe cia kamboni iria cia matwarire bururi-ini wa Russia ciena wabici ciao Nairobi barabara-ini ya Koinange na kurerikana ciena unyitaniri na amwe a maabitha aregenyuku mitugo kuma iharo-ini cia ndege, honge cia DCI na borithi aria makoretwo makimagitira. Atongoria ya riu makienda uthuthuria bara nginyo wambikwo.
Migration kwa sababu wako kwenye mipaka yote. Hao ndio ambao wanafanya Wakenya wanapita kwa sababu wanahongwa huko. Mheshimiwa Spika, lazima migration waangalie.
The only way we can save ourselves from this situation is to continuously build this economy so that each and every Kenyan can have a job to do.
Endwa ao magithinika bururi-ini wa Russia. Guku bururi-ini family ciao no maithori magikaira thirikari ihonokie ciana ciao tiri-ini uyu wogeni.
The person you have called is not reachable.
They can be able to get the agent so that we just need closure.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, Gitagwo Gitonga wa Wambui.